we keep most of our class organized is we have Canvas, and Canvas is an online learning management system. So here, what we do is we have these things called modules. So like this is their first topic, that define meaning, medium, and these are where they can find artifacts. And it's listed, anything that's a worksheet is also located in a bin for them. But this allows students to scroll through. We also place answer keys in here so they can check their work as they go. But what this does is it allows students to go through and move and see everything that they need. So these are all the worksheets, anything that they find in the classroom, they can also get to online. They also have access to their quizzes and their exit tickets that we put them in when they get there. But Canvas first serves as a way to store student data and allow students to access course material both at home and in the classroom. One thing that's really unique about Canvas is the powerfulness of their quizzes. So you can create online quizzes for the students to answer. But then they also have a lot of statistics and information available. So you can scroll through and see that on this quiz, the highest score was 100, the lowest score was a 63, and standard deviation was a 0.72. But you can scroll down and see what kids were answering on each question. So it breaks down each question that the kids were seeing, and how many students are getting each question right, and what it is that they're selecting. You can also click on the respondents and see which students it was who are answering things correctly or incorrectly. So it's a really powerful tool if you're looking for a way to use data in the classroom. And Canvas allows you to import quiz questions from other resources as well. So a few ways we keep class organized and running is we have cubbies or ways for pass back papers to students. So this allows them to always come in and grab their work and pick up where they left off. We also have sticker charts where students keep track of how quickly they're moving through the material and the pacing. So we'll keep track of teacher pace up top, and this is where the students should be. And then as students complete the work, they will add their own stickers so they can keep track of where they are. As for all of our paper, what makes class run smoothly is that we let students move at their own pace, but we have all the resources provided and organized for them in these little file folders. So if they need a worksheet, they know exactly where to go and get it. That way they can get it and just move, and they're not waiting for us to pass things out, or they're waiting on the teacher to get any of the material. The material's out and ready for the students, and they just have to go and grab it. One way we allow students to have choice in our class is by using what we call a point map. So you'll see we have listed the assignment or the tasks, how many points it's worth, and then they can report how many points they've earned. They also keep track of a notebook, and that's what the page numbers on the right are for, so that all of their worksheets, they know where they can glue those in to keep track of them. So what you'll see here is like group A is all of the required work. They have to do everything here. They have to do both of these lesson artifacts. Then from group B, they just have to pick 2 of these assignments. So here they can either they have 3 worksheets to choose from, or they have 2 online quizzes that they can choose from. It doesn't matter which ones they do, they just have to pick 2 of them, and they're all weighted at the same amount of points for how our class is set up. And on this one they have group C, so we also want to make sure they do one of these 2 things. Again, we don't care necessarily which one they do. They do those for initial 10 points, and then when they've finished all that, then they can do their exit ticket. And the exit ticket is what they're doing to show essentially that they know what they're doing. So everything above at the top is all their practice, all their formative assessments, where they're getting the chance to retake and redo things. When it gets to the exit ticket, that they get one chance. If they don't do well on it the first go around, then the second go around, they can take it a second time, but the highest grade they can get is a 90. So this is one way that we hold students accountable and an easy way to give students some choice, but still having control as a teacher in what they are doing.